Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll install wheel spacers for this new Mercedes E-Class. So, are wheel spacers safe at high speed?
If they are high-quality wheel spacers and you are not driving at excessively high speeds, then they are fine. And as always, it also greatly helps if you have hub-centric wheel spacers. Hub-centric wheel spacer can help eliminate the high-speed vibration by filling the gap between the aftermarket wheel and the axle hub. By custom data, hub-centric wheel spacer make it possible to install aftermarket wheels with different enter diameters.
Compared with an ordinary hub-centric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage hub-centric design, which means that multi-stage hub-centric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, greatly reduce the vibration of high speed caused by the inaccurate hub-centric. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.